So this is Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday the 31st of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 88.74, had a brief bullish bounce, trade slightly through level, but we've continued to hold the 88.74. Prices test again and again. We did hold 88.74. We've seen the price progression here up towards 89.14. Brief pullback from 89.14, broke out to the upside. We've come back down for a retest of this 89.14. If we do hold 89.14, we'll be then looking for price head up towards 89.45. Very next level here to the upside, where we could encounter some resistance. And if we are successful in navigating the 89.45, if we do see a continued recovery from this sell-off here, if we do see recovery beyond 89.45, the very next level of note is that 89.80 here to the upside here on the euro against the pound. If, however, we are not able to hold support in around this 89.14 and we do see a breakdown, we do have to be aware of the fact that we do have the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support. But if we do see the breakdown from this 89.14, we don't find support at a 200 period moving average, we're then looking for price head down towards 88.74. Previously an area well established now that we have found support. But if we do see volatility bring us through the 88.74, we will then look for price head down towards 88.51. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond 88.51, but if we did have a particularly volatile day, we do have a very key level in around 88.20 here on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, and we get scale on here correct. And as we can see here on the daily chart of the euro against the pound, we have been in pretty clear an uptrend by drawing a rough trend line here to the upside. We've seen an acceleration in momentum to the upside more recently, after testing the 88.20 support in around 88.20. We did mention it was a key level, because we do have the 200 period moving average from a daily chart currently sitting in around that 88.20. So if we do see this volatility, and then from there we did see the increase in accelerated, well, we saw an acceleration in momentum here taking us through 89.14 all up towards 89.45. Previously an area we encountered resistance, and again we've encountered resistance around 89.45. Come back down towards 88.74, found support, and we are currently testing the 89.14, an area from which we have previously encountered resistance also. So we've mentioned levels that we are looking at here to the upside, and again we've mentioned levels to the downside, also that key level of 88.20. So with that, all that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.